Welcome to Heartland Family Adventures. Today we're sharing a park vlog of our day at Disney's Animal Kingdom, including some of our favorite rides and experiences. Since this was an adults trip for us without the kids, we rode some of the rides that we don't typically get to do with our kids, including Expedition Everest and Kali River Rapids. We also enjoyed a wonderful tour on Kilimanjaro Safaris and experienced a Giraffic Jam for the first time, which was actually pretty amazing. We also took some time to explore the different trails in the park, including the Gorilla Falls Exploration Trail and the Maharajah Jungle Trek, and enjoyed some new Dole Whip treats at the Tamu Tamu Refreshments. If you're new to our channel, thanks for joining us today. If you like what you see, we welcome you to come and visit our channel for more content like this. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. We hope you enjoyed coming along with us today and would love to hear from you, so leave us a comment below to share with us your favorite animal at Animal Kingdom.
There's Thumper, and then there's a real bunny.
There's the real Thumper. Oh, hi Thumper. Hi buddy.
I love this part of Asia. You'll see them coming down.
Come on. Where are you? There it goes. This really is one of the better queue lines they've done. Really cool theming, lots of shade.
Yeti sighting.
There's a statue of Doug and Russell. Right in front of the Feather Friends of Flight.
And a squirrel.
And squirrel. I love the mornings in Animal Kingdom. Not real crowded here, going the back way over to Kilimanjaro Safaris.
Yeah, Kilimanjaro is just opened up for the morning. We rode Everest first thing. Now we're headed over to see the animals.
Yeah, Everest was a walk-on. So usually is first couple hours in the morning. That's really nice. Kilimanjaro says 45 minutes. So see how long it takes us.
Our ride's a little hard to predict because sometimes it's wrong.
Really nice thing about Kilimanjaro is pretty much the whole line is shaded. It's wonderful.
Something I love about Animal Kingdom in general is it's so much natural shade, and they really planned it out well in the park. Lots of shade.
Yep.
Slide all the way over to your left while we are out on safari. Make sure.
They're like burrowing. Really pretty. It's cool down here. I love this. They've got their nests all over the place here. They're kind of going to and from their nest. Did you see that?
Just buzzed your head. And he goes back over there.
He's catching something that was falling.
Just starting a nest right
They're
there.
starting a nest right here. And up here he's got a kind of established nest. There he is. How cool is that? They're upside down. All over the
There's
place.
a close-up of one right there.
Oh. What a funny bird.
Very cool. They're all over.
And then this one has a nest all over it. Pretty neat. Almost every single branch has a nest in it. That's so funny.
Very cool.
You see that? Oh my goodness. And the fish just are all around him. Look at that. My goodness. Just sleeping. And then he pops up every so often to get air. Yeah, to breathe. You can see him kind of up here. And they go up for air and then go back down. Different kind of animal. There he takes a breath. Takes a breath. Big breath. Coming up for air. And then comes back down. That's all he does.
I want to be that baby right now. Look at that.
Hey friends!
Hi.
So this has been a fun morning so far. We started our day, we got here about 8 o'clock. Park opens at 7:30. If you have early park access for Disney
7
Resort,
o'clock.
it's at 7 o'clock for Disney Resort guests. So, but we got here at 8, just taking a leisurely morning. And we went to Expedition Everest first, and that was a walk-on.
Yeah.
That was wonderful. Then we went over to do the Kilimanjaro Safaris, and that was about, what, a 40-minute wait?
It was posted 45 minutes, and it was almost
Right.
exactly on.
Yeah,
so.
right on time. And so then we went to do the Gorilla Falls exploration trek, and this is such a cool trail. Definitely recommend coming if you do Kilimanjaro Safaris. The Gorilla Falls trail is right after you get off of Kilimanjaro. And so definitely recommend coming and taking a look. The gorillas, the whole family of gorillas, they were really, like, the little gorillas were so playful and so fun to watch. And we saw a hippo.
We were right up next to the hippo on the other side of the glass, and there's all these thousands of fish, tropical
fish and birds and
and the
gorillas
birds.
and
I'll show you a video of the birds flying around making their nest. This is by far the best trek we've been on.
yeah, I love it.
Especially we've never done this trek before for some reason. So
I loved it a lot. It was awesome, and this beautiful trails back in here, and waterfalls, and just kind of enjoy a nice leisurely day at Animal Kingdom. So
it's been great.
Now we're gonna go probably go explore, get a snack over at Harambe Market, and then we'll continue on our day. So we'll see you soon. Simba sunset. So this is pineapple Dole Whip with a strawberry swirl. Looks really good. And this is the Scars layer. So this is the pineapple Dole Whip with sour apple swirl. This is a new one that I'm going to try today. Looks really good.
All right, Sam, what do you think of that? Is it sour?
Just a little bit. Get a little bit of hint of sour apple.
Yeah.
But it's nice, kind of sweet and tart with the pineapple already. I like it. It's kind of just a little bit of tart apple.
Yeah.
I like that. It's not overpowering.
Yeah, this is just the regular Dole Whip, and they just put some syrup on top.
Yeah, they just put some syrup just for a little twist of flavor, versus doing like a swirl with another type of Dole
Disney
Whip.
Springs or the Polynesian usually get a swirl with actual Dole Whip of the other flavor. So it's a little
this one
different.
they do like a drizzled on another flavor.
Yeah. So it's still very pineapple forward.
Yeah. Still really refreshing, and a little bit of tart if you like tart.
All right, so Dave got the one with strawberry. So this one should be a little bit on the sweeter side. Sweet strawberry. Nice.
Still just adds, maybe it takes a little bit of the tartness away. It's very pineapple forward still. Still a little hint of strawberry. But yeah, it's good.
That one's the Simba Sunset.
It's melting fast. Huh?
Yeah, you can also get that as the King's Cooler with added rum, right? So same thing with the Scars Sunset. You can get this with rum as well, with coconut rum, and then they add, so it's kind of more like a float.
Yeah, but I'm waiting for Nomad Lounge.
Yes, me too. It's been a good stay so far. This is a nice, quiet little nook right here behind Tamu Tamu Refreshments. They have lots of tables back here and cover and shade. Nice little nook to come and enjoy your Dole Whip.
Nice.
No, it's a nice day so far.
Come on, child.
He's looking at you because he wants you for lunch.
Ready, let me tell you that. Hey, buddy. Oh, look over here.
Look at their nest. See the nest?
More birds making nests.
That's amazing. Come over here. Look at this nest that they built. Look at that. Climbing up over there. Oh, Mr. Bird. That's a long feather. Wow.
See the monkey?
Sure you don't care?
Snakes. Why did it have to be snakes? Special prices for tourists only. Yeah.
Here we go. See if we get wet.
This is your idea.
I know. It's gonna be fun. Touch me later.
We're going up, that means we go down later.
We're really climbing. Wait, what's up there? Oh, it's a gentle one.
For now.
There's
Everest.
That's a cool view of Everest up here.
My shoes are gonna get so. Oh, they're
Oh boy.
Uh-oh. What happened here? There's a fire. Oh no, there appears to have been a fire.
Why are we?
That's gonna be us in a minute. I'm so glad they build the suspense before they drop you too.
Here we go.
They're gonna bump us. They're gonna bump us.
I'm glad I have the poncho on today.
This is really fast.
Oh no.
The extra sprayer is really unnecessary.
This has to be an unlucky seat there. There's water sheets here. Yeah, this moves really fast.
This is a fast one. That was it?
And it's all close.
It was short. One big drop basically.
Yeah, one
Fast
big drop
rapids.
and then some spray.
And one more spray.
Spray
And a bump.
and bump.
And then you're done.
And then you're done. So basically one big splash and then you might get shot with some water from the sprays.
Again.
Walking back, here's the Tree of Life, and look who we found. It's Kevin. Oh my goodness, so tall. Bigger than I expected. That might be scary. That's awesome. Aww. That's Kevin. So tall. That's awesome. Right here next to the Tree of Life, we have a Kevin sighting. That's awesome. Aw. No chocolate?
I don't think you can have that.
Have a bar of chocolate.
joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click that like button. It really helps us out. Stay tuned for our next videos from Animal Kingdom, including dining reviews of the Yak and Yeti restaurant, Nomad Lounge, and the Jiko Signature restaurant at Animal Kingdom Lodge. We hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.